Guys, welcome to Google Earth. Welcome to Washington. Guys, welcome to Washington from Google Earth. So Washington DC is here. White House is here, Pentagon, and Ronald Reagan Airport. So the plane crash is somewhere here, this side. So the helicopter is coming from here. Helicopter, and the airplane is coming from here, from Kansas, and they collide here area. So 60 passenger plus 4 crew and 3 army helicopter in Black Hawk helicopter collide here in Washington, January 31, Friday. Total 67 casualties. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Washington DC.